This video is going to show you how to do the observation assignment. So just like the other ones, you'll find it under content. You can go to Unit 1, click on that, and then Unit 1 activities, and it's listed in the same list with all the other ones. One other place that you'll see it is at the end of whatever chapter it is supposed to be for. So this one happens to be at the end of chapter 2. So if you are going through the content of chapter 2, like when you're flipping through these pages, you will come up to the observation just as you go through the content. So you can get to it from here, or you can get to it from the Unit 1 activity section. So either way, it's the same thing. It doesn't matter. So you can click on here. It will let you download the study guide. So you're going to need to click here. That's where the questions are. This is where the actual questions are that you'll need to download this file. Then you need to watch some videos and answer the questions that are listed on this study guide. That's the only place to get the questions. And then when you're finished with that, you will turn it in here. And just like the other ones, you can turn it in through here in the content. You can turn it in under the Unit 1 activities section, or you can turn it in under assignments. So there's lots of different ways to do that. Here under assignments, you'll be able to upload your file and submit it right here. So here's some tips on the observations. So this assignment is a lot shorter, and it's also a little bit more vague in some of the questions. So some of the observation questions are pretty good and they're pretty straightforward and you can answer them just fine. But as the semester goes along, you might start noticing some of the questions, it doesn't really give you very good instructions, or the questions seem vague, or it'll say take notes on this video and it doesn't really ask you anything. So here's the deal with the observations. Please do not stress over this assignment. It is a completion grade only. I just want to make sure that you have read it, that you have watched the video, that you've tried your best to answer the questions. Some of them don't have a right or wrong answer. So as long as you have something that makes sense, you'll get full credit for the observation. So completion grade only. Just go through it, do your best, put something down, and turn it in, and you will be fine. The other problem, one reason why I make this be a completion grade is because a lot of the videos on this assignment are not working. So, as I said with the journal, if you come across a video that's not working, here's some suggestions of what you can do. Sometimes it's your web browser. That will happen every once in a while. So you can try a different web browser and see if that works. If that doesn't work, most of the videos do have transcripts listed also. So you can just read the transcript and kind of at least get the idea of what the video would be showing. You can also find information in your textbook to try to answer the question. If all of those things don't work, just write into your answer video not working. So that way I will know that you tried, but it just wasn't working as far as technical difficulties. If you just leave it blank, then I don't know whether you just skipped it or if you even tried. So just write that into your answer if you're going to do that. For most of the time, you can get through without the video just by reading the transcript or using the textbook. So again, I apologize for the technical difficulties. The observation seems to be the assignment that has the most problems. So that's why I'm just taking it as a completion grade. So this is where you will see your grade for that. And it will most likely just not have any feedback at all because I just want to make sure there's something written in there and then you'll get full credit for it. So again, I apologize for the technical difficulties. So this assignment is just completion grade, and let me know if you have any questions.